is Nappy Missy 101. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how I use aloe vera plant without having to blend it, without having to do much of anything to it, just basically cutting it and applying it to my hair. My hair is still yellow. Anyway, I'm twisting it. I've already started to twist it. So, yeah. Let's show you how good the aloe is. I've already cut it up like such. As you can see the gel coming from it. I am going to part my hair with my finger. And we are going to start. Can you see my hair is still yellow, guys? My grays. So I'm going to take this piece of aloe and just apply it as such. I am just going to work it through my hair. Work it, work it, work it. Definition forming. This is definition, people. Look at that. So this is a bit dry, so what I'm going to do is just poke holes. You could use anything to poke holes through it. Just poke holes and you'll see that more gel comes to the surface. To use my shea butter mixture. I don't make this mixture myself. I have a friend all the way from Bermuda that makes this mixture for me. Look at that. Just beautiful. So we've finished that row, that small little row. As you can see, I'm still shining like a star with yellow hair. Gonna take my same piece of aloe, poke holes through it, bend it a bit. I'm also trying to put it on my scalp because I get really itchy scalp and this really soothes my scalp. Look at that. Goes from that puffy stuff to this. Curl definition! Hey! Yes, yes! We are on our last row. People, this is just aloe by itself. Look at that. It feels so smooth, you guys. Like, it's so soft. Like my fingers just glide. So that's it, guys. That's me just using aloe and a little bit of shea butter. And even without the shea butter, the aloe by itself adds so much definition. I just love it. I just really, really love it. I can't imagine what the aloe would be like with flaxseed gel. So there's a flaxseed gel that I also use in my hair that I keep in my fridge. But I wonder what those two together would formulate. Like, I think I'm onto something. Oh my goodness. I think I might have to try those two products, those two ingredients together, and see what type of definition it gives. I'm really feeling this. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. That's a wrap. I hope you like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.